Let's dance and start, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever.
Hi Christy, I know I told you several times that I would be coming, but since alam mo napakalapit mo sa puso mo, andito ako ngayon. Our friendship has been tested so many times, but I know it is very strong kasi after 35 years in Pagcor, actually nag-start po kami sa Pagcor, andito pa rin po kaming dalawang solid na magkaibigan.
Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I want to be forever.
Ito pong gathering natin ngayon ay pasasalamat ko lang po sa Panginoon sa buhay na ipinagkaloob niya at sa aking pamilya, mga kaibigan, lahat-lahat po kayo, mahal at malapit sa aking puso. Kaya sobrang saya ko po ngayong araw na ito.
Hi Ma'am Christy, happy birthday po. Wishing you a good and long life po syempre. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo po yung retirement niyo, hindi lang physically pero spiritually po. Pinagpipray ko na lagi po kayong gabayan ni Lord. Thank you sa lahat Ma'am Christy since OJT days. Love you!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy!
It's too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God.
Hi, Ma'am Christy. Good afternoon po. Ma'am, happy birthday. Alam ko po na itong birthday mo mahalaga sa amin. Kaya kahit malayo po kami, pupunta po kami, ma'am. Sana po mag-enjoy po kayo at sa iyong retirement. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy. Happy 18th birthday. Nagdadalaga ka na. Ang ganda mo. Hindi kita nakilala.
But if you feel like I feel, well then let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
And happy retirement na rin. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday So, be happy on your birthday. Nandito kami para sa'yo. Enjoy your day. God bless you more. Happy birthday. Love you.
And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
I just like to thank you all for coming. Enjoy lang po tayo. And let's all isama niyo po ako sa inyong pagdarasal.